So you want to hear a dirty joke? Got nothing better to do? Okay, the bride tells her husband, honey, you know I'm a virgin and I don't know anything about sex. Can you explain it to me first? Wow, does not know what sex is. Okay, sweetheart. Putting it simply, we will call your private place the prison and call my private thing the prisoner. So what we do is, put the prisoner in the prison. Yeah? And then they made love for the first time. Afterwards, the guy is lying face up on the bed, smiling with satisfaction. Satisfaction hewn. Nudging him. His bride giggles, honey, the prisoner seems to have escaped. Turning on his side, he smiles. Then we will have to re-imprison him. Haha. After the second time they spent, the guy reaches for his cigarettes but the girl, thoroughly enjoying the new experience of making love, gives him a suggestive smile. Does it have to be suggestive? Honey, the prisoner is out again. Haha. The man rises to the occasion, but with the unsteady legs of a recently born foal. Afterwards, he lays back on the bed, totally exhausted. Totally. She nudges him and says, honey, the prisoner escaped again. Limply turning his head, he yells at her, hey, it's not a life sentence, okay? Wow, how did you come up with that? Haha.